Hello everybody, how are you? I am Muhammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is, which statement about DNA replication is correct? The logging strand is boiled continuously, the leading strand is boiled continuously, and the logging strand is boiled in pieces. The logging strand is one of the strands of parental DNA. DNA ligase helps assemble the leading strand. The leading strand is one of the strands of parental DNA. The correct answer of the question, the correct statement about DNA replication is the leading strand is boiled continuously and the logging strand is boiled in pieces. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.